Hello, Marcus Boston. Quick video today, and we are going to discuss when a baby gets stuck in the birth canal during labor and delivery and the subsequent injuries that can result based on the baby being stuck. Now, I have shot videos in the past using the term shoulder dystocia because that's actually the medical condition for this. When a baby gets stuck or trapped behind a mother's pelvis, that condition is called shoulder dystocia. But I wanted to talk about this today from a more basic standpoint, to have a basic conversation with you about the injuries that can occur based on shoulder dystocia. Now, one of the main injuries that can happen when a baby is stuck like this is you can have injuries to the brachial plexus area, and what that really is you can have injuries in this area of the baby, around the neck area, and sometimes these injuries, if you can have nerve damage here, this can then go on to affect the baby's arm, or it can affect the baby's hand. Those are some of the common injuries that you see when shoulder dystocia is present. But not only can you have an issue with those types of injuries, brachial plexus injuries, you can also have oxygen problems also associated when a baby gets stuck. And the reason why you can have oxygen problems is because if the baby's umbilical cord becomes compressed during a shoulder dystocia situation, then that can reduce the amount of blood and oxygen that's getting to the baby. And when you have a reduction in blood and oxygen, then you can have an HIE type of injury, a hypoxic ischemic encephalopathy type of injury. It's important that when a shoulder dystocia or when the baby is stuck, it is important that doctors not panic and that they use the maneuvers that they're taught to help free the baby. And so I just want to talk with you today about some of the types of injuries that can occur when a shoulder dystocia or when a baby is stuck behind the mother's pelvis during labor and delivery. If you have more questions, maybe you're here today because your baby has suffered the traumatic brain injury, HIE, hypoxic ischemic encephalopathy, and now you have questions in regards to this situation. If that's what's going on with you and you would like to speak with me, what I invite you to do is to go ahead and pick up the phone and call me. There's a telephone number on the screen. Go ahead and pick up the phone and call me at that number. Now, when you do reach out and the secretary picks up and everything, just let them know that you would like to speak with me. You would like to schedule a phone conference with me about your situation. And remember, it doesn't cost you anything to call and talk to me about your baby story. One more thing before I go. I practice law here in the state of Maryland, and I know this video is on the internet and things like that, and if you are not in Maryland and you contact me, just understand that I have to use what we call local counsel or co-counsel. In other words, an attorney in your state, and that's something that we can work with you on, but I just want to make sure that you understand that co-counsel or local counsel aspect of things. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorneys practicing law here in the state of Maryland at Boston Law Group, LLC. Talk with you next time. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.